Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's making waves in the world of aerial cinematography, the DJI Inspire 3 Professional Cinema Drone Combo. We found this impressive drone and included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The DJI Inspire 3 is not just an ordinary drone, it's a comprehensive cinematic solution designed for professional filmmakers and content creators. At the heart of this drone is the Zenmuse X9-8K Air Gimbal camera. This sophisticated camera captures stunning 8K footage at 75 frames per second in Apple ProRes RAW and 25 frames per second in Cinema DNG. With dual native ISO and over 14 stops of dynamic range, you can achieve remarkable low-light performance and extensive color grading flexibility, making it perfect for high-end productions. One of the standout features of the Inspire 3 is its ultimate flight endurance kit. With 6 TB51 intelligent batteries included, you can hot swap batteries, ensuring that you never miss a crucial shot due to low power. This is especially valuable on demanding production sets where time is of the essence. The DJI RC Plus controller enhances your shooting experience with its massive 7-inch, 1200 nit high-bright display, which allows for crystal-clear viewing even in direct sunlight. It also comes with professional support and a strap to help reduce operator fatigue during long shooting sessions. It's all about making your workflow as smooth and efficient as possible. Speaking of efficiency, the Inspire 3 also includes a 1TB PROS SD for seamless high-speed storage. This means you can capture uncompressed 8K footage without worrying about data bottlenecks when transferring files to your editing suite. This is a game-changer for professionals working on high-stakes projects. Now, who is this product suitable for? The DJI Inspire 3 is designed for professional filmmakers, cinematographers, and content creators who demand the highest quality in their aerial shots. Whether you're shooting a feature film, a commercial, or capturing stunning landscapes for a documentary, this drone will elevate your work to new heights. Practical use cases for the Inspire 3 are vast. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots for a film, conducting real estate videography that showcases properties from above, or even documenting events with cinematic flair. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for any serious visual storyteller. In conclusion,